What's going on, guys? Super excited for today's video because we officially have a new setup coming for the F-150, and honestly it's the setup that I originally wanted to go with on the truck but then chickened out on. We kind of played it safe. We went with a 20x10 XDs and the 33 X comps, and that was a super clean look, very aggressive X comps with a nice, you know, off-roady style 20x10s. That's what I was really going for, but then I kind of changed it up and was like, you know what, we're going for the sport truck because that's why I bought the truck, right? I don't know, guys. I don't know why I went with the XDs, okay? I kind of wanted to have a little throwback to my first F-150, and like I said, it was clean, but it's time to go the route that I wanted to take this truck from the get-go. So I traded those off to Austin. I got his stocks and 35s, which does look really clean, totally usable, doesn't rub, anything like that. It's a very popular setup, which I'm glad we got to experience this and the XDs. I've honestly been kind of babied for the past couple months. I've not had any scrubbing issues. I've been able to do lock-to-lock turns and go over curbs with my big sidewall, and you know, it's all about to change, but she's about to be thick, boys, and I'm stoked. So that's a little hint on what we're going with. So I'm not going to bore y'all anymore. Hopefully in the next week or so, the wheels and tires will be in, so I'll catch up with y'all then. Look what decided to show up a little bit early, boys. We got the wheels and tires. They were supposed to be delivered on Monday, but here it is Friday, and they showed up early, and I am stoked. It's a little bit later in the afternoon, but we're going to get these babies on today. I am so ready to see it. So one last look of the stocks and the 35s. Can't really tell what we got, but you can kind of get an idea of the dimensions. We got 3 of them almost laying down, so they ain't the tallest things in the world. You see a little tread pattern right there. Little tread pattern. So I'm stoked. Hopefully it looks good. We'll have to see if we want to stay at this height, but man, it's about to be a complete 180, that is for sure. So we got to get Chomper over there out of the way, get this thing up, and it's ready to get these babies unwrapped and on the truck. I'm used to, these things are surprisingly light. Like I can actually pick them up, move them around without killing myself pretty good. All right, without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox one of these bad boys. I think I got the barrel side facing y'all right now, so do a little tease. Last chance of your guess on what finish we went with. What tire, I guess, what size wheel. I saw a lot of comments, which a lot of them were saying like American Forces and all the Ford's wheels stuff, but I've had one set of American Forces and they were a complete nightmare, just keeping polished and whatnot. And honestly, at this point, if I'm spending $5,000+, I'm buying another truck. So you know, there's a lot of things out there that'd be really cool to own for 5 G's or more. And so I'm just not one to spend a bunch of money on wheels, and this is an amazing buy in my opinion. But without rambling on anymore, let's see. Okay, well there's your little hint. Archon, yes, I know, yes, okay. And there's hint number 2. It's a black wheel. I know everybody freak out. Black wheels are so lame. I've got so many other vehicles with chrome all over them. This one's getting black everything. Black and blue. I have liked these wheels since they came out. Lauren's gonna be mad because I haven't told her I got these, and these were the wheels that she said she also liked. Also never gotten this size before. Oh my gosh. Boom. There they are. Archon Alexander 22 by 14 -81 with a Nitto 420V, and that is a 305 40 22. This is ridiculous. Yes, stretchy boy now, okay? It's gonna be freaking sick. I've always liked this design. It's kind of like a scythe. Dude, I'm stoked. I hope they freaking fit. Like, it's hopefully it fits. But yeah, dude, that is wicked. I think this is exactly what this truck needs. So without further ado, let's these things got to go on ASAP right now. Let's get them on. All right, I'll be honest. Only reason why I went with black wheels is because I had to match the Daytona. Yes. Oh, yes. Holy crap, y'all. It looks so freaking wide. This is truly going to be the most hated or loved setup I've ever had on this channel. Pretty positive. Bro, get to the chopper gunner. That ain't the chopper gunner. What is that? Osprey? I don't even remember. I ain't played Call of Duty in a while. That's a little scary. If this ain't the epitome of business in the front, party in the back, I don't know what is. Bro, look at this freaking truck. I gotta get this while I'm in the road already. Bro, look at this freaking truck. Oh my gosh. Anytime a nice dog comes up is always appreciated. I don't know if this is a puppy or it's just a weird mixed pit. Oh gosh. Okay. Yeah, we got some mixed pits running around. Yeah, about to have a couple more, looks like. What's up, dogs? What's up? My dude Mike right here, he's chilling. He's chilling. Gerald. What's up, Gerald? Come here, Gerald. Come here. He said, nah, I don't know you. I don't like street tires on trucks. I'm gonna stay my distance. Make sure it don't rub off on me. Unreal. Look at that reflection, though. Freaking killer. Look at these guys. They're so cute. They kind of remind me of Hubert. All right, y'all go have fun now. Peace and blessings. I don't think this is where I'm going to do the outro, but dude, this is the first place I've gotten out and looked at it. This thing is so freaking wide. Yes. All right, guys. Well, here she is back at the spot where we revealed the XDs and the Gladiators. Dude, I'll tell you, the video doesn't do it justice. And at first, honestly, I was like, man, it's bizarre on the street tires. I'm in love, dude. I know it's gonna be super controversial. Some are gonna love it, some are gonna hate it. Probably not gonna be anybody that's indifferent about it. Dude, it looks so freaking mean. Needs some tire shine desperately. But dude, I'm stoked. This is what I had imagined. This is what I had in my head from the get-go. And now we finally didn't chicken out, and we did it. We did it right. Look at them babies. First time with the new V420s. You know, I had the OGs on the Duramax, and they were all right. I always wanted to go, or I wanted to go 2214 on that truck, but then chickened out, and that's when I went 2212 and got the American Forces. And I mean, it looked good, but the 12 wides is just, no hate for 12 wides, but they're just not the same look. And if you're going for this look, you got to go the 14s. You just got to. So I'm loving it. Super killer deal. The main reason why I went with these, one, I've always liked this, like I said, style wheel of the Archon, but they were on sale, and I think I got these for $1,200, 4 wheels, and then $800 for the tires. It ended up being like $2,200 before taxes, I think, right under $2,500 for the complete set, everything after taxes, which I didn't get any add-ons, so that helps keep the costs low, because they try, you know, throwing all the different coatings and accessories and stuff with it that can definitely jack the price up. I just went bare minimum, and I'm stoked. I love it. I honestly ordered a kit before these, a set of 2414. I can't remember what they were. They were chrome. They were ended up being out of stock. And then once I thought about it, because I was just like, man, I'm tired, I want to order something before the end of the year. I ordered them, and then they were out of stock. So I thought about it some more, and I was like, well, I really should go 22, give me a little bit extra sidewall on a tire, because, you know, the roads around here suck, and I'd hate to tear my wheels up. And then I found these for this price. I was like, okay, we're going black, because like I said, I had some chromes ordered, but they were literally like $5,000, and these were $2,200 or something, a little over that after everything. So I'm so glad I went with this, and the black and blue is so killer, and I cannot wait to get to doing other things. Like, we've had the Ford emblems from BFN trucks for like a month now, and I've just been waiting for the right time to put them on, because unfortunately I can't just rush and do everything one day, because then we would have no content, and I wouldn't have a, you know, a growing YouTube channel, which is the goal. So it's so bizarre seeing it. First set of 14 wides. Dude, it's so good. So I think I already said it when I did the reveal, but 2214 Archon Alexander's -81. Archon, y'all didn't send me freaking caps for the inside or the outside, so I'm gonna be emailing y'all. And one of my caps were broken in the thing, which I'll email them. I know they'll make it right. So no worries on that. But yeah, dude. And then I didn't even talk about the tire. 305 40 22 Nido 420V. Yes, we got some poke, we got some stance, got the lips hanging out, you know, it's chilling. So we got zero protection, so we'll see how long it takes me to curb. Probably the back wheels, I'm not gonna be able to go through any drive-throughs. I'm gonna play it safe. Back on that, you got to pay attention while you're driving, you know, can't be just goofballing with the big 35s and curb hopping, because we'll tear our wheels up, which I inevitably will curb these, I'm sure. I remember the day that I curbed my 22x12s on Baby Squat, and I cried a little bit. I didn't really, but man, I was like, you know better than that, and I did, and I curbed them. But anyways, I'm gonna quit rambling. I don't want this video getting too long. I've got a ton of more content that y'all see these wheels and tires on the truck, but y'all be sure to comment down below, leave a like, subscribe, hit the noti bell. I don't ever say any of that. I feel like if I did, probably help the channel out, but so sick. I hope going across that causeway looked good, because that was a kind of a pain in the butt and a little sketchy to get my camera out and film that and everything. But yeah, anyways, like I said, y'all do all the good stuff. Let me know. I'll see y'all in the next video.